How to create Google Maps API key for free just on your device here on your PC or on your mobile phone. For this I will show you some of the genuine steps here. So let's go on our browser and we will simply browse for Google Maps platform. Then on the platform website what you have to do is simply follow the steps. To create a Google Map API key for the free, follow the steps. Log in to the Google Cloud Platform console as I have told you. Sign in with your Google account and create a project or select an existing project. Now, navigate to the credentials page and go to the Google Map Platform credential page. Click on create credentials, that is API key. Then the third step is restrict the API key that is recommended. It's not compulsory for all of you. For security restrictions, add your website domain under the HTTP reference. After doing it, the last and the final step is the step 4. Copy the API key. Your newly created API key will be displayed there, and remember to restrict it before using it in the production. So this is all about how can you simply get or use Google Maps API key for free on your laptop. This is all about the video. That is the easiest way you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos like this.